It is the million-dollar question right now. Are we turning the corner in this pandemic? Health officials say the answer is complicated. COVID metrics in the Carolinas are on the decline, but it's not the first time we've seen this, only to be crushed under another surge. Vanessa Rufus explains why experts say what we do this holiday season, starting with Halloween, is crucial.
Hey, happy Halloween!
Another All Hallows Eve approaches, another fall under COVID. But with cases and hospitalizations dropping, are we on the eve of a pandemic turnaround?
I think we're on the downswing of the fourth wave. I think that we can say that with a lot of confidence. If you look at national models, is that we'll have a continued downward trend with this into the spring.
What comes after is still pretty murky. While metrics are declining thanks to vaccinations and the surge of infections we just sustained, doctors say we've been here before.
We have seen this happen a few times before during this pandemic and have seen cases and hospitalizations then jump back up.
They say whether we yo-yo back up again depends on several factors, but primarily variants and vaccinations. They say that's why this Halloween, COVID shots should go hand in hand with costume planning. And trick-or-treating, while green-lighted this year, should be limited to smaller groups. Health guidance says cloth masks, not costume masks, will be important for indoor settings and close contact outdoors, particularly for those littlest ones still not eligible for the vaccine.
Rather than having a bunch of kids' hands reaching into a bucket of candy, potentially, somebody, one person who's just washed or sanitized their hands, passing it out.
While the months ahead still have a big question mark looming over.
But I do know that the more of us that are protected and vaccinated, the more likely we are to have the worst behind us.
With the hope that COVID doesn't have any more tricks up its sleeve. Vanessa Rufus, WCNC Charlotte.